After much use, you'll need to empty the bin and clean the filter. Here's how. Pull the dirt bin handle and lift it out of the AirRam. Over a wastebasket, release the latch with the green arrow to pull open the lid. Push the green lever towards the open lid to empty. Pull the green lever back towards the bottom, then close the dirt bin lid. Pull the filter out of the dirt bin and tap on the side of a wastebasket to remove debris. Firmly hold the filter and remove the separator by gently pulling apart. You may wash the filter under warm water. Do not use detergents or soaps. Allow the filter to dry completely before replacing. Once completely dry, slide the filter back onto the separator. Then replace the filter in the dirt bin. You can now replace the dirt bin. Emptying the bin and cleaning the filter is that easy.